So today we're going to talk about how to grow a YouTube channel, what it takes to grow a YouTube channel, how I did it, and how you guys can do it as well. Some of you guys start YouTube channels. I'm guilty of it myself. And you guys kind of post, and you don't really dig deep into what goes behind the posting. You kind of just post, right? And just post and post and post and post. And then a lot of you guys get 0 views. I've been through it. Get 1, 2, 3 views, and then the video dies. And then it gets, you guys are not motivated, stuff like that. So I understand how that goes, right? What I would tell you is this: when it comes to posting, don't worry so much. Everyone wants to look at like when's the best time to post, when's the best time to, you know what I mean? Da 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 da. Don't worry about that. Should I post at 12 o'clock? Just post. Just post. Another thing, a lot of people starting out, you guys just post shorts. A lot of you guys get traction on your shorts, and then you post the main video and you get no traction, right? So what I would tell you is this: the biggest thing when it comes to YouTube, and what I notice is I've had YouTube channels for almost 3 years. I have about 5 channels, but I recently had a channel I started 3 months ago. I've been monetized for over a month and a half now. I make videos for it every day, and I'm not going to stop. I'm at like 1,300 subscribers now. The channel itself is way over 1 million impressions already. The channel is growing, up and coming channel. I'll pull that up for you guys in a second. Here, let me pull it up for you guys now, actually, real quick. Let me pull it up real quick. Boom, 1,300 subscribers. If we go here to the content, this is how you kind of tell if your videos are monetized right here. Monetization is on. You can see all my videos, every single video. Monetization is on. You want to see one video that's not. So, and look at the views. The views are there. Just mind you, all these videos have potential to be making money. Okay. Now, what I would tell you is this: when it comes to YouTube, think about it as something you're starting and something eventually that could be your long-term thing. See, the problem is people want money now. People don't understand. Even with just regular jobs, sales jobs, there's a lot of sales jobs out there to where it's like commission only. A lot of people run away from it because they want the money now. So I would tell you, you have to be okay with creating content daily and still having that motivation, knowing you're not making a penny, to keep going, to keep giving the energy, to keep making better content, and just keep posting, being consistent, finding ways to grow your channel. Hashtag researching other channels, seeing what they're doing to make them successful, posting more, being consistent, using other platforms, and stuff like that. So that's kind of what's going to put you on the track to get you guys monetized. If you guys don't know, they changed the monetization of 500 subscribers and like 3,000 watch time. I didn't get to have that. I got monetized at 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 watch time. And even that, I have one of my channels is monetized at 500 now and 3,000 watch time. But you only get access to a couple of things. You don't get access to ad revenue from Google AdSense, okay? So I would say this: what's going to hold people back from starting a YouTube channel? Their name, their niche, worrying about what other people think, learning how to edit. Forget all of that. Create the channel. Use your phone. Create some content. Do some little hashtag research, stuff like that, and get the content uploaded. I'll break down another video of all that other stuff of like, title, thumbnails and importance of this and that and this and that, SEO and all that good stuff. You know what I mean? As far as monetization goes, being able to get monetized, some people it takes a month. Some people it takes a year. Some people it take a year and a half. But if you don't get started, you won't find out. So don't hesitate. Just start now. Pick your name, pick your niche, do a podcast, do whatever you want. Find the passion in it. But here's what I will tell you. If you don't have a passion for that niche and you're going to find it difficult, then just give up on that. Just figure something out that you like and that you feel like you can be consistent with and have content for it pretty much every other day, daily, once a week, whatever the case is. Make sure that you're able to put content out for your audience. You know what I mean? So those are just a couple of tips. Once you have an audience, make sure you engage with them. Let them know to subscribe. Don't hesitate. I tell people to subscribe on every video. And if you made it this far, welcome to the community. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers here on the new channel, Alphas Attract Alphas. Just like that. Throw that into your video. I actually mean that, by the way, but, throw that into the video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know you're new. Let me know what you're interested in so I can make some content for it. Drop a like button. It helps me with the algorithm and the YouTube analytics and stuff like that. Don't be afraid to ask your audience for these types of things. Don't, I'm very outgoing. When people talk to me at the gym, what do you do? I'm a content creator for YouTube. What do you do on YouTube? I do this, this, and that. But my main channel I'm working on is this. Here, this is my main channel. Oh, subscribe. Appreciate you, man. Da, 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 da. Do you do any type of content creation? Da, 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 da. You got to engage with your people. Okay? And just the biggest thing is don't stop, man. Find your way. And if you're worried about your niche, when I first started, I have one of my channels. It was Alphas Attract Alphas because Alphas Attract Alphas is like my thing. Attracting alphas and I'll break that down in a whole other video. But this my other channel is ceonocap now, which is my Instagram handle. So check that out. Those videos were fitness, carnivore, finance, my Turo company, rental car agency. Just I was all over the place, and now I figured it out. I'm niching down to so many different things, and it's working out for me. So, but I would tell you this: if you're just starting, don't worry about a niche. Just post. Try this, try that, try this, because you're never gonna know what's gonna hit for you. But you have to be interested in that because you need to be able to make the content daily. Okay? So that's what I got for you guys, man. That's kind of like, the biggest thing. I'm not gonna tell you false information. That's just kind of what it is. When you want to grow a YouTube channel, you got to put yourself out there. You got to put the content out. No one's gonna follow. Here's another thing. Don't go promoting your YouTube and you got one video on there. Oh, you're gonna bring me to your channel with one video, and then what am I do? When they click on your channel, they want to see content. You know what I mean? So that's all I got for you guys, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you guys are new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We're on the road here at Alphas Attract Alphas to 1,000 subscribers. You guys will get me there. And I appreciate you guys for rocking with me, man. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Yes, sir. We are out.